We're reviewing the TZX bike extension bar, 7.8 inches. It is a rechargeable power bank with two removable 18650 batteries, one on each side. They unscrew, take the cap off, it's IP rated, and as we pull the battery out, they are standard batteries. They're about 2,000 milliamps per piece. It's a 4,000 milliamp battery system with the USB door in the back that's USB-C and USB-A. It comes easy to assemble with two brackets to be added. Once on the bicycle, you simply put it into a charging cable port, your own personal brick, 5-volt, 2-amp to charge the battery. On the front you have here is a button that you will press to light up. As you double press it or single press it, it'll come on. It'll charge up anything that you have as long as you have an optional cable of your choice. We simply extend the cable. We plug it into the back, located over here, and then I'm able to charge many different types of things. I have here's a light. I simply grab the cable and I plug it in, and it charges up my helmet. If I need to charge up my phone, I simply get the charging cable for the phone, and I take the cable and I plug it up to the phone, and it will charge the phone. I have here is a light that I need to charge. I simply open up to the USB-C and I charge my light by pressing in. It is also on the actual bar. You can put lights, GPSs, anything imaginable on the extension bar to add more to the unit. That is the 4,000 milliamp bike extension. The Red Comet's bike extension power bank plugging in. Turning on the power bank by a short press, we have some green lights lit up. We have an iOS device that we're going to plug in and charge. 75% charging, power bank. The USB-C input for charging only. Simply plug in and demonstrate no charging. After a number of seconds, when no power is detected, the unit will turn off. Short press to turn on. For those times when you need to charge a camera, you have the charging indicator light. Or when your light goes out and you need to have extra charge by USB-C, plugging in the correct cable to the charger. This is the way you charge with the power bank, the two 18650 2000 milliamp batteries to total a 4000 milliamp power bank. When the power bank is not used, simply press to shut off by hitting the home button. When recharging, for a number of hours, plug in your USB-C cable as the indicator of charging of each of the LEDs. When reaches the full charge, a solid blue light, remove the cable, and off you go. Closing up the door for IP rating. It is from Red Comets. I hope you enjoy the product. If this is something that you are looking for power banks, emergency power use for charging up your systems. Thank you for viewing.